Hi everyone, kamusta na kayo? Hi guys. So Pilipina Buhari here in Nepal. So today I'm going to meet my Filipina friend here guys in Nepal, and first time I travel alone. So I'm excited, and here also they have like tricycle. So mayroon ding tricycle dito guys. Umbak kumbaga sa atin. So ang tawag dito is tutuk. So ito, kasi yung friend ko dito is may resto bar sila. So ang ganda ng view dito guys, nakaka-relax. At hopefully makapunta ako uli dito at makapag-vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Ingat kayo.